Class 10. Today we are taking new topic ratio and proportion. What is proportion? See the example. If these four quantities are in proportion, then first upon second will be equal to third upon fourth. Now see the second type of proportion, that is continue proportion. What is continue proportion? Again take the four quantities, first upon second equal to again second upon third. The second will be repeat over here, and similarly this third quantity will repeat over here. So see, this is continue proportion. Now see the third type. If there are three quantities which are in continue proportion, then middle quantity will be always mean proportion. It is called mean proportion. Middle quantity is called mean proportion. So now just write in continue form a upon b, and b will repeat b upon c. Cross multiplications, then mean proportion will come b square is equal to ac. What is b? Mean proportion. Now see exercise 6a. There are 1, 2, 3. Three quantities are given. They are asking fourth. Find the fourth proportion. Let fourth proportion be x. Now write in proportion form. First upon second, third upon fourth. Cross multiplication. This is answer. Now see first part question. These are two numbers. Find the mean proportion between these two numbers. Let mean proportion be x. So you will take mid of these number x. Now write in continue form 5 upon x, x upon ad. So x will come 20 by cross multiplication. Now see the 8th question. Find two numbers whose mean proportion is 14. Whose mean proportion is 40 and third proportion is 112. So let numbers are x and y. Mean proportion is given 14. So just write between x and y. This 14 you will write between x and y. And write in continue form. X upon 14, 14 upon y. Cross multiplication, xy is equal to 196. Equation number 1. Now secondly they are saying third proportion is 112. So x, y, these are two numbers and third is 112. This is given. Now write again in continue form. So y square is equal to 112x. This is equation number 2. Now put the value of x from equation 1 to equation number 2. After putting the value here, y will come 28. Now y value you can put in equation number 1 or you can put in 2. I am putting in 1. So x will come 7. So these are the answers. Now this time x plus 7 is a given mean proportion. Now find x. So write in continue form. This upon this, then this upon this. Cross multiplications, after solution x will come 13. Answer. Now see the new exercise number 6b. First of all see the properties of proportion. Inverse tando of a upon b equals to c upon d. How you will be write in inverse tando form this ratio? Inverse tando means invert, reciprocal. So b upon a and d upon c. This is inverse tando form of this. Similarly, alternando of this is like this. This will come here and this will go there. Similarly, this can go here and this can come here. Right? It is called like this alternando. And third property, componendo and dividendo. Componendo means plus, dividendo means minus. If a upon b equals to c upon d, condition is given like this, and you are applying componendo and dividendo. How you will be applying componendo and dividendo? See here, a plus b, numerator plus denominator, and down will be numerator minus denominator. Similarly this side, right hand side, c plus d upon c minus d. So this is componendo and dividendo form of this. Now see question number 1. X upon y is equal to p upon q. Prove that this is equal to that. Now this is given. See here what we have to prove. 5 and the number is 5 and 7. So you will multiply this both the side by 5 upon 7. This given part should be multiplied both the side by 5.7. Multiplying, after that applying componendo and dividendos. Componendo and dividendo like this. Numerator plus denominator. 5x plus 7y. 5x minus 7y. Similarly this side. 5p plus 7q. 5p minus 7q. Now it has been proved. Now see question number 8. This is given equal to 5. 5 we can take 5 upon 1. Now again apply the componendo and dividendo form. So in componendo and dividendo, numerator plus denominator. This part is the numerator and this part is the denominator. The denominator will come up with plus. See here. And down minus. Down will be minus here. And what is going to cancel? This minus part is going to cancel. Here this will be minus and this will be cancelled by this. How many root are left here? 2 root x plus 2 and down 2 root x minus 3. 2 cancel by 2. And this side also 5 plus 1 and 5 minus 1. Remember one thing, you have to apply componendo and dividendo both the sides. See 5 plus 1 and 5 minus 1. After reducing, this will come 3 by 2. See here 6 by 4, 3 by 2. And 2 cancel by 2. And now squaring both the sides, remove the root. Squaring both the sides. After this squaring, root will be removed. That side 9 upon 4, cross multiplication, x will come 7. Answer. See question number 12. Y is given this equal to this. Y you can write y upon 1 in componendo dividendo form. And this is the question and you have to prove it. This thing. Now applying again componendo and dividendo in this. Y plus 1, y minus 1. And that side also numerator plus denominator. See here. And numerator minus denominator here. So some part is going to cancel. And now there will be 2 root this thing. And down will be 2 root this thing. Minus minus will be plus. 2 cancel. Again squaring both the sides, remove the root. This side will be square. So apply the square formula. Y square plus 1 square 1 plus 2ab. A plus b formula whole square, a minus b whole square. And now this is the ratio. This ratio is equal to that. Now again applying the componendo and dividendo. Change in lowest form. So numerator plus denominator. Again numerator minus denominator. That side also numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominators. So some part will be cancelled here. So 2y square plus 2 here and down will be 4y and this side will be 2a upon 6b. After reduction this will come like this. And now do cross multiplications. After cross multiplications, open the bracket. This will come this part. Now it has been proved. Now children, these are the 2 exercises. Exercise 6a and 6b. And next time I take new exercise, that is your exercise 6c. Thank you.